Hey everybody, we are here at the Alabama Welcome Center a lot sooner than what I really needed to be. I was thinking, I have to laugh, I was thinking that yesterday was Sunday and then today would be Monday and we have to be in Rockport Wednesday for check-in, Wednesday afternoon. And Sue reminded me last night as we filled up our second time at the gas station. She said, well, you know, today's only look at that. The lens is cracked. Probably from the heat and it's wore out. I gotta get a new one now. But anyway, we came through here and she said, we'd meet her Wednesday, and I said, well, that's just a day and a half away. And she said, no. She said, today is Saturday. I said, what do you mean today's Saturday? I had her look it up on the phone because I didn't believe her. And she said, yeah, today's Saturday. We left on Friday. Today's Saturday, and we don't have to be in there till Wednesday. I said, oh my God. So once I realized that we were like way ahead of schedule, I decided to, we got to a welcome center here, I just said, well, let's pull in here and get some nap. But see, I was up all day yesterday. I got up really fairly early for me. I got up at 8:30 yesterday. I was up all day. She had her treatment. She came home. We put everything in the car that we wanted to take with us, and we hauled butt down here. So I didn't have no sleep all day. I was tired. So we got here, and the first thing we had to do was make the bed. She took all the sheets and everything home to wash them. And so, you know, you're tired, you're wore out, and now we got to make the bed. If you've never had to make a bed in an RV, it's not like making the bed at home. So anyway, got the car hooked up. Everything does work okay. The only thing is the safety chains don't hook on this one like it did on the other one. So I'm going to have to make some, look at this guy behind me. Can you see him? Look. He is totally going the wrong way in this place, everywhere he goes. He's going to go out the other side over there. It's one way in. He's going to go out the in way. He come in the out way. I don't know, man. I just don't know anymore. So anyway, if you look, I don't know if I can show it to you or not. See, it has bungee cord under there. I got one on each side. That's to keep the chain taut so the hooks will stay in the little round holes where you hook everything. So that's what I was looking at, was that. I'll get it figured out. I mean, it's okay to be this way, but I like for it to be a little easier. I may take it in somewhere and have them weld me a brace under there to hook onto, or I may just go to Amazon and find a different kind of hook. I don't know. So anyway, the car's towing okay. Just so everybody, you know, I greased the wheels because I got the Zerk fittings right there on them wheels where I take that plastic cap off and grease it right there. So that's been greased. Everything's been greased. I gotta shut that window. It's open. We got the Fantastic fan on the inside, blowing in this air. It's not too bad out here. It feels like about, I don't know, 75 or so, give or take. Seeing a lot of bikers out. I think there's a bike show somewhere, or a bike-a-thon, I don't know. So anyway, we're gonna move on, going down the road. Buc-ees is down the road, so I'm gonna head that away.
Take the ramp ahead.
Turn left onto Baldwin Beach Express. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Buc-ees Boulevard.
See an open spot where we are over there.
Well, we're not in a hurry. Looks like he's getting.
Well, we're in Mississippi, right? Mississippi. And I thought I was going to stop at that one rest area, welcome center. But then Sue looked it up on the phone and found out it's not in Mississippi, it's in Louisiana. The one we can't pronounce. So the next best thing is I'm at Cracker Barrel. I know it looks like I'm parked a little goofy, but I've done that on purpose because I'm worried about if I was pointing the other direction, which I'm really supposed to be, coming in there, if people start parking in front of me, I can't make the swing to get out. So I parked here, took up 2 spots because it's a straight shot for me to get out whenever I want to. Because I'm not going to stay here all night. I'm just wasting time waiting for nighttime to come so I can drive at night. But we're at our famous Cracker Barrel. Another one. I don't know if you've ever been to this one before. We stayed at one at Lafayette, Louisiana, because we couldn't get into the Crying Eagle.
Right.
But I don't think we've ever been to this one.
This is right outside of Mobile.
We're in Mississippi, that's all I know. I don't know how far we are from Mobile, but
That's right. We're across the line.
so we're gonna go and get a bite to eat. See you guys on the other side.